Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So I just got frustrated sitting at home and wanted to leave on a bike ride. So come along with me. It's going to be a very short ride, but I've got my GoPro. So hope we can enjoy and get some nice video. All right, see you on the road. So just left home and I am getting all the signal lights as you see here. The George Washington Bridge is on my right now. I'm crossing the bridge that connects New York to New Jersey. Yes, another signal light. This is our local grocery store which we just passed. So this is all Fort Lee area. On the right you will see my son's high school, which is also closed for 2-3 weeks. But it's a huge beautiful school called Fort Lee High School. So the roads now are looking less empty, just a few cars here and there. But I don't see many restaurants open and I don't see many people walking around. So I guess people are following the lockdown guidelines. And it's fun to ride like this. The helmet, the gloves, you feel safe, and you're riding alone. So social distancing is maintained for sure on a bike. Unilever office and CNBC office on the left here. We're passing them now. So a lot of people comment about me riding very slow, but I think firstly you need to realize that I'm riding in miles per hour. So if you look now, I'm at about 52 or 50 miles per hour, which is 70 to 80 km, and the speed limit is actually 40 miles per hour on this road. If you see the signboards, you will see the speed limit is 40 miles per hour. So I'm, as it is, 10 to 15 miles above the speed limit, which, you know, technically a cop can stop me and catch hold of me. So I've ridden and driven in the US for 10 years. I don't want any speeding tickets. I've never ever got a speeding or parking ticket, so I just want to keep my driving record clean. So now we are going up north on a route called 9W. We're going north of Fort Lee, which is way north above the George Washington Bridge, and for some parts we will also come into New York State. So we are on the border of New Jersey and New York, but right now we are in New Jersey still. So cruising at 50 miles per hour. It's so beautiful here. Look at the trees on the left and right. I mean, to think I'm just a couple of miles away from my house. This is amazing. It feels you're on a countryside, but actually you're just within the city. So we're getting into Alpine. Alpine is where a lot of celebrities have their big houses, multi-million dollar houses, 10 million, 20 million, 50 million. A lot of celebrities live here. Whoopi Goldberg and many others. There are a lot of celebrities from New Jersey, like Bon Jovi, the singer, Bruce Springsteen, the singer, Whoopi Goldberg, actress, many more. So though New Jersey is a very small state, a lot of good talent comes out of New Jersey. Frank Sinatra, the singer. I don't know if most of my followers or subscribers would know who Frank Sinatra is, but he is one of the most successful singers, I think, after Elvis. So I am heading to a cafe for some coffee, and I hope they'll be open, because this cafe is a place that I go to very often when I ride my bike. So it's about 20 miles from my house, so obviously I'm not going to show you all 20 miles, but I'm going to go to that cafe and then share some video with you at the cafe from my iPhone. I'm currently shooting on my GoPro 7, which is mounted on my helmet, and I'm just hoping the clarity is good enough for you guys to see this beautiful road and beautiful ride. The bike is handling very well. The turns, the curves, it's much better than a Harley Davidson. So I am very thankful for making this decision to buy this bike. So cruising at 6th gear, and most of this road I've been on 6th gear, which is amazing. I've got my phone nicely set on the RAM mount. That RAM mount was on my Harley Davidson, but now I put it on the BMW. The good thing about the RAM mount is it's pretty secure with the rubber band around the phone, so even if there's a bump or something, the phone's not gonna fall. I definitely don't want to be dropping my iPhone 11 Pro for sure. If you guys see, the wind visor is on its highest position because I'm pretty tall, so it blocks most of the wind, which is what I like, and it's pretty comfortable when you're cruising at 50 to 70 miles per hour. There are so many cyclists on the road. I'm just wondering how many people are really taking this lockdown and quarantine seriously. So see you at the cafe, guys. It's kind of fun when you see people admiring the bike. Everyone's kind of liking the bike, which is a great thing. That's fun.
Living in sin. How can you talk? Look
So guys, hope you enjoyed the ride so far. I just came to one of my favorite hangouts for coffee. So even though it's the virus times, I see a lot of people here. And my trusty GoPro battery died, so I need to start carrying more batteries. But I hope you enjoyed the ride this far. And now just heading back home because I need to make sure I stay safe home. It's a beautiful day and I just had to ride the bike, so that's why I came out. So these are some of the stickers I've put on. And I got my permanent number, so that's there. No more temporary number plate. Alright guys, heading back home. The phone has to go off and the GoPro battery is dead. So hope you like whatever B-roll I got on. Just parked the bike, if you see it's at the back there. So just in the parking now and heading back home. So far all good. The roads had a lot of traffic and there were a lot of people at the coffee shop too. So I don't know how much of quarantine or lockdown is on, but I hope everyone is safe. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this video and a small ride. Alright, bye.